Hi guys, and welcome to Forkin Allotment. I'm going to be doing a instructional video on the ePots paper pot maker. So today that's what I'm going to be doing. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And other than that, I will get on with doing this video. So the pot maker consists of two sections: the base and the body. So what we need to do is we need to cut or tear strips of paper approximately 9 centimeters by 25 centimeters, which is 3.5 inches by 10 inches. Well, I've got a piece of newspaper here, which is the length of a newspaper, which is probably about 10 to 13 inches, depending on what newspaper you're using, and around about 3 to 3.5 inches along, or wide should I say. So we want to roll the paper strip around the body of the tool with an overhang of about 3 centimeters or 1.5 inches. So we take the pot maker here, the newspaper here, so we need to have an overhang here, and then we will roll the paper around the pot maker. Just tuck it in there, keep going until we reach the end of the piece of newspaper, like so. So currently we look like this. Then, starting from the seam, fold the overhang under the end of the body so there's no gap. So we want to be taking this from the seam, folding it in and over the edge. There we go. So it's like that. So you have no gaps in the bottom. Then we need to press the body with the paper wrapped around it firmly into the base of the pot maker, like so. Twist it a few times. 1, 2, let's go 3 for luck. Now we'll take it out and then gently slide off your pot like so. The paper pot is now ready to use, so you can fill it with compost or soil and sow your seeds directly, or transplant your tiny seedlings from their sprouting trays. Also perfect for striking cuttings. So once your seeds are sprouted or your cuttings are ready for potting on, you can either place the whole pot into another large compostable pot or place directly into the ground, or any decorative planting container. So as I say, just to recap there, that is the paper pot maker from ePots. I'll leave a link down below to get that on Amazon from ePots there. So we there have a paper pot, which is say it's only there to be used for when we have seedlings. So we just basically wrap the paper around the pot maker, around this piece. Then when you got the seam there, fold it over, stick it into here, twist it 1, 2, 3 times, pull it out, pull your pot off, and away you go. You can do your seedlings. So there we go, that's that done for today. That's probably all I've got to do today, because it's pretty cold here today. So yeah, please do remember to like, comment and subscribe. Please do visit the link for the paper pot maker there, and I will see you all in the next video. So there we go, that is ePots paper pot maker tutorial video. See you all in the next video. Stay warm, stay safe.